Hey YouTube, coming to y'all live from Las Vegas. We're at Planet Hollywood. So we're finna go inside and get y'all this little room tour. You got a little card to get in. I want to say folks in room 960. Alright. And look who we were greeted by.
The birthday girl.
Yeah, we have her birthday. Gonna get this nice little room tour started for y'all. I'll let you do the usuals and lead the way, but look at this picture you greeted with as soon as you come in. I don't know what the, you know.
It's giving showgirl.
It is Vegas. It's Vegas.
But here we are in the entryway. We are greeted with double doors to your left. Are y'all ready for this?
Let's see what's in this resort.
Our bathroom.
This is actually pretty nice.
It is.
Having a tub in something that's not out of the country. That's pretty good right there. It's a nice deep tub too. Okay.
So our standard walk-in shower here with the two little things to sit your soap on and stuff.
Okay. Is it how big is it? Oh, this is a pretty big size. This ain't bad. Decent shower head, decent lighting in here. Okay. Not bad, not bad.
You have your toilet room, I guess.
It's a door. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Door separating.
It's separated, which I like because most hotels don't separate that.
Right, I don't know why they don't like to leave that separate. But yeah, that's good. Nice big area for you to do your nasty number ones and two. Okay.
And obviously the tub, like you said.
Did you peep this?
Here. Oh,
This backsplash on here. Yeah, this backsplash is fire. Look at the artwork they got.
Okay.
Alright, Planet Hollywood. This ain't bad. Yeah. Okay.
Nice. And then we have our vanity area with one sink. But I do like this LED light behind the mirror here.
Right.
So when you get ready and stuff, they gave some tissue over here.
Oh yeah, what a minute is that? Okay.
And a little toiletries. You got some hand soap.
Artesian soap here, some shampoos, conditioners, and body lotions. Okay.
Yeah.
I like this though. This is a pretty big bathroom for
Vegas.
to be in Vegas. Now this ain't bad. Okay.
And you got your blow dryer. No scale. Do they have a
I don't know. I don't even know why they had no scales in here, boy. Don't nobody need that.
Off to the room where the magic happens. Family's been watching this, close your ears.
Okay.
Just kidding. But we got the TV. This was like a 42 inch maybe. It's a
What size is it?
mounted on the wall, which I absolutely love.
Right, because ain't nothing worse than having that old school freestanding fatback dinosaur TV. Ain't nothing worse than that, but it's a nice area right here.
Right, and I like how it has like a chair, so if you come to work, I don't know why you come back to work, but got a little chair here, or if you want to sit down and eat.
Got some lamps here.
A little magazine. Then they also have a mini fridge, a stainless steel mini fridge.
Oh, good. I ain't even know this had a fridge.
No, it's
in
not
it.
stainless steel. But yeah.
It's a decent sized fridge though. Let me see.
Turn it up.
Well, nah, because the light is turned off. I don't know. We'll figure this out after. Yeah. There we go. I think it got a little colder. Okay. But it do come with a fridge, as y'all see.
And there's soft clothes with the drawers too, as you can see.
So slow-mo soft clothes, but okay.
Yes.
I don't know about soft clothes, but all right. We got the pull-out drawer. Okay. That's a lot of space.
Yeah, it's deep.
All right. Deep pull-out drawers, yeah.
Yep. So it is soft clothes. Then here we have our wardrobe closet that looks like it has some type of decor on here.
Yeah, that artwork nice. Like that design.
So it has the mirror here.
Okay.
The full body mirror. I don't really like that. I prefer it to be outside the closet because you can't see.
Right.
But yeah, you got extra room for clothes to hang up, your save.
Ironing board.
Yep.
Okay. So good, all the necessities. Now this is a big space too, so
It is.
if you into hanging up your clothes out here, then feel free. You got plenty of room.
And then you got your thermos. This is an old school thermostat. Hey,
Oh,
you
this
got
is
your
real old school.
thermostat.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn that guy down. It's a little hot in
It
here.
is.
Okay.
And then we have the bed. It's supposed to be a king. I hope it's a king.
This definitely, yeah, this is a king size.
Okay. It feels soft. It's a little firm, but it's soft at the same time.
Okay. Nice little seating area over here.
Yep. See here, I like the colors too, like the color scheme they got.
Yeah, I like this. I like this black and white theme they got going on. Okay. Got some lamps over here, two mismatched lamps, but that's fine. Got this lamp, Open that drawer right there. I'm trying to see how much space is in there. They're deep. Okay, that's a nice deep drawer as well. And then.
Look like you can charge a phone.
Okay.
Oh, can you play music on here?
Yeah, it look like it. They got a wireless charging station, 2 docking stations. Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right, that's nice. Same thing over here. You got your lamps over here. We got all lit up. Got your area over here. Got this nice digital clock over here. Oh, sofa area for sitting down. So it's a pretty big space. Let me step over in this corner. See how wide this area is. It's a nice wide area over here. And then the curtains and the view, which is not that good of a view. This is the view. It's all right, but you know.
A little mountain view, that's about it.
Mountain view. We did see a plane take off earlier, so you literally had a perfect view of the planes taking off if you into that type of stuff. But this is the view right here. And yeah, this is the room. And didn't even really notice this, but more artwork in here. Just things that, you know, some folks might appreciate. Some good artwork going on right here. Nice little touches.
If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a fat thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Again, we are in Las Vegas, Nevada, staying at Planet Hollywood on the 9th floor. And we're here for my birthday, so turn
It's gonna be a lot of turning up, a lot of eating, a lot of drinking.
A lot of.
Okay, and maybe some other stuff. But anyway, we'll see y'all some more videos.
Tell me birthday in the comments.
And we're out.
Peace.